Hi everyone, this is Shireen Purewal and another day of updates from me in what's going on in the world, what's going on in real estate. Just off to show a property that just got listed, first day on the market, and it's got a rental suite in it. Now, as you know, in this market right now, if it has a rental suite in it and it's under 800, need to go look at it the same day. And that's exactly where I'm heading. And I gave my client a heads up. Let's meet there right now because this one's going to go. And funny enough, when we go in, so realtors, we have access to the back end where we go in to book properties. As I'm going in to book this property, all the slots, and I mean, I was on it. I got the email 8. As I got in, it was all filling in. Like every time I was selecting, oh, sorry, because of COVID, we can't double book a time. And what I found was it was already getting pre-booked by other realtors already. So I'm telling you, again, no one has a crystal ball. I just look at the facts, and the facts is yes, I'm on point that there is high demand. It is moving quick. If it is listed with a suite under 800, you need to see it the same day. Okay, there you go. Some do delayed offers, which means, all right, you guys have till this day to get your offer together. So everyone has a chance to go through, and that's their way of basically getting the most price for the listing. Let's be honest. Okay. So that's my update for the day of where I'm heading today and what's going on with rental suite homes here in Victoria. The other thing is I do follow the news closely. I follow the real estate market personally. I do trade stocks. I'm quite active actually. The nice thing is I put my orders in, do my work throughout the day, and then when it automatically hits my target prices, I sell. I'm not a day trader, but when I do see opportunities, I do get alerts. And what we're seeing in the market, guys, is crazy right now in the stock market. It's basically artificial. I'm saying artificially because artificially you're seeing the market just go up and up and up and up, and everything follows the New York Stock Exchange and that's like the U.S. economy, Wall Street. You know when they say Wall Street runs the world, it's a huge part of the investment world, capital world, and it has a lot of say on global economies. That and central banks. Okay, the Feds are very, very powerful, but what's going on is, holy moly, is the government of US printing money. It is, you're only supposed to print at 2% of what the economy's money supply is, so that you're meeting GDP growth at the same time. We are printing over, what is it? Like we're I can't even say trillions in debt. I mean, when I say we, North America, because U.S. is our neighbor here in Canada. So whatever happens to them will affect us, guys, to a certain extent. So here we are. U.S. is printing money. The Wall Street, they've got a stimulus package where right now they approved a certain amount, but they're thinking of increasing that amount to $2,000. Uh, it's not, this whole stimulus won't have much an effect for the actual investors on Wall Street, but it's the whole psychology of they're giving us more money, there's more spend, there's more growth. It's the whole capitalism of money supply means money circulation means assets go up in value. And they're absolutely right. The stock market, we're going to see it go up. We will. Mark my words, we're going to see the market go up, but it's fake because that money, it's artificial money. That money isn't backed by anything. So what you're going to see is the middle class and the lower, like the middle class, are going to get hammered by this. You're going to see, right, essentially their money being taken into the markets, and those on Wall Street are going to benefit, or any of those investors who are in the stock market are going to see. So you're taking money that's worth less because it's just being printed, being moved into hard assets where it's making money. So that's the shift that's happening. So if you're holding on to money, it's risky right now. Whereas if you're holding on to assets, it's less risky. So another reason why we're seeing real estate go up in value. Okay, I want a rental suite because I know whatever happens, I have that addition. Everyone needs a home. Okay, everyone needs a roof over their head. So we found that, residential commercial didn't do too well because everything's moved online. But at, people work from home now. People live at home. We're seeing prices of food. Now people are cooking more from home. They're going out to eat less. We're seeing food prices go up, like grocery stores are doing well. And we're seeing home prices are doing well, and residential homes. So the demand is there, guys, especially now with the amount of money that's being printed across the world as all these governments panic and just like pump money into the economy that isn't really backed with anything. And that money is, again, move it into hard assets if you can. Buy some bling bling for your loved one. Um, oh, that's my Tesla telling me to drive straight there. But again, guys, I love you guys. I just share. I'm very transparent. I share with you what I know. At the end of the day, you have your information as well. Let's share it. Let's try to help each other. If you've got good intel, send it my way. And I always do my research. But this is the conclusion that I've come to based on what I've seen and what's going on. One guy, he's so funny. He's this guy that I follow. And he says